So what we're going to do is we're going to start with this. We're going to replace this. To replace this, you're going to screw it like this. You put the mighty one on, because that hooks up to this. See, now this connects to this. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this hose all the way with your wand into the house, okay? Or this you're going to take into the house, connect it to the living room, dining room, whatever. 2 circuits. It'll give you the vacuum, and it'll also give you the pump out. So that's the vacuum part. Now, for the solution part, we're going to need a little adapter to turn it down to the carpet cleaning size, which is typically 1/4 inch. Now the next thing is we're going to connect this to that. But if we've been using it as a pressure washer, then we need to use an adapter. The adapter comes with it, which is this. Just put that on there like that. Then you're going to take this and connect it. The other end of this, that end, or if you have more hoses, connect it. This goes to your wand. So now you got this going to the wand already, the vacuum hose, this one. And now you also have this, and you connect this to the wand. And leave this closed, because if you open it, then the pressure will build up and it's going to be hard to connect it to the wand. So connect that to the wand first. Wand meaning carpet cleaning or upholstery cleaning tool, hydro force, whatever. The vacuum is connected here, your pressure is connected here. Now, you're not really turning this on because this literally takes like 15 seconds to heat up. You're going to turn this on first. So once this is plugged into separate circuits, can't be the same circuit, then your vacuum part's working and you see the wand starting to make a noise like, right? If you wanted to drain this, then you could hook it up. It has a built-in waste pump out, and that you hook up to a garden hose and it can drain anywhere you want, really, wherever you're allowed. So now we're ready to turn this on, and it's got 2 vacuum switches and a waste pump out switch. So you can turn on all 3 switches, okay? So this is going in the house, the wand is connected, they're connected on this side. You turn this on, everything is good, you got it all hooked up. Now this one, you're gonna have to start it. When you start it, like normal, which you can see in another video, you set the temperature here. So let's say you want 200-degree heat, you set that, and then this will give you the current temperature that's coming out. And there's another video for troubleshooting, and troubleshooting is done with the lights on the side above the panel, and it's also in your manual. The manual is on the description page of this product. Now we're ready to do this. This, if you already have not brought the pressure down, the pressure regulator is over here. If you go right, it goes up. If you go left, it goes down. And then in order to tell if you're getting the right pressure, would be you need to start it and you press the trigger on whatever's connected, in this case the wand, and then the gauge will give you the proper pressure. So before you start, this machine needs water. Without water, it can't work. And you got to make sure the water is flowing all the way and it's coming out the front and it's not spurty. So there's no air pockets or anything. It usually takes like 30 seconds. And then, not every time, but usually the first time. So the water goes straight from here and it's coming out the front without even turning it on. If you don't do that, then don't turn the machine on, because the machine only works on pressure. And what controls the pressure is this valve, which is a custom valve, and this pump, which is a custom pump, because it's adjustable. It can go from 200 to 4,000 PSI by using this regulator. One more thing is, you can take this fitting and you can put this on the wand too. And then you can connect a pressure washing hose to it. So this is very universal. It can go pretty much anywhere you want it to convert it. And it converts it to a 1/4 inch or vice versa. And then just remember, I'm always here for you. Just call, we'll get it all straightened out, whatever it is. And yes, it does take time to learn, but it's important that you know how it functions. And also remember, the diesel is the safest form of heat, right? It usually never ignites unless it's atomized. That's why this is happening in there. As it goes through a little itty bitty hole, it gets atomized, and that's what produces the heat.